I get it. Most of you are trying to get female attention. You aren't getting it. You are the one giving it all out. I want to flip the script here. I want it to be dished out to you. And to do that, I need to start with number one. I need you to have unbreakable confidence. There are two ways to do this. The first way is the way you should go, which is through merit. Now you can fake it till you make it, which it does work. But at the end of the day, if you want to have unbreakable confidence that no one can break, you need to build it through merit, through competence. Be great at something. Pick something. I don't care if it's business school, athletics. Pick something and work like no one else. 2-3 hours a day. Put in the hours. Work on that one thing. Be great at that one thing, and you will notice the confidence you are going to feel when you reach the top of that designated field. Bro, women will flock to you. The second way is kind of like an hack. It's kind of like an instant thing. They say the merit one, it may take time. It may take a month, 2 months. It could even be a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. The second way is instant. If you want immediate attention from women, in any room you have to appear bigger. That means you want to stand taller. Your head has to be over your spine, your chest out, your shoulder in a shoulder width stance. That gives you your most dominant frame. Whereas you stand in a room full of weak men, you stand out. 2. You approach. See, most of you probably think just because she's beautiful, she probably gets approached 24/7. You are probably wrong. You don't understand this, but beautiful women, the same way you think man, she probably gets approached 24/7, is the same way other guys think, and they are not doing so. So at the end of the day, she probably gets approached once or twice a month, or at a minimal rate, because she's so beautiful. Now through DMs, anybody can slide in, but in person, I guarantee you, she doesn't get approached that often. Meaning that if you have the balls to do so, you're going to leave a memorable moment in her mind she won't forget. Especially if you do it smooth. Don't be overly invested or overly lovey. Don't be like, oh my god, she's the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. Be chill about it. My name is Dash. I would love to take you out. I'm interested to know you more. Can I have your number? Super chill, super relaxed. I promise you, she won't stop thinking about you. Which roses up to number 3, dress well. If you want women's attention, you need to dress well. And the reason is this, and you need to understand, when a woman is analyzing you as a potential mate or girlfriend, the reason she's seeing your money, your status, and all these matters is because she's also thinking, I gotta show this guy to my friends, my family, my colleagues at work. If she doesn't see you as the guy that she'll be proud to be a protector, a provider, the face of the relationship, she's basically drawing it up in her mind. She's thinking about the wedding, the kids, and if you are not that guy, she's not going to give you any attention. You have to dress for success. You have to look good always, and when you do, I promise you, you stand out. You go into any room, most guys are dressed apart. You be the guy to dress next level. You are the one getting all the attention. You are the one where all the girls are now daydreaming. Which rose up to number 4. Stop trying to get them to notice you. Just stop trying to get them to notice you. All of this works, but at the end of the day, you should be working on yourself. If you are just wasting your time 24/7 trying to hack the system, trying to get girls to notice you, yeah, you'll be good at getting initial reactions, but you won't be good at keeping women, especially beautiful women. You won't be able to keep them because you haven't built yourself up to be that guy. Again, you have to have unbreakable confidence. Remember my first tip, there were 2 routes. I would love to know how many of you chose the easy route. I would love to know how many of you said, I'll just use that tip. I guarantee you, less than 5% of you said, whoa, the merit route, that's the route I want to take. Whoever took that route that is still watching this video, you guys are the actual winners. You guys are the actual winners, because at the end of the day, the best way to get female attention is by stop trying to get female attention and fully, wholly working on yourself to become the best version of yourself. Peace. I'm out.